hand-laid fiberglass intake box for the win. We're gonna turn our buck, which is 3D print. I had to move the inlet over. Instead of just reprinting, I just moved it and used modeling clay. You're gonna want some release wax. I just have this Partle paste number 2. It's for exactly fiberglassing. Gel coat. Gel coat just makes a better finish. Grab me a clean brush. Alright guys, so we're wax PVA'd the buck and our first part of the mold. I need to find a board and mount it to the bottom of this so I can get my bottom flange that actually will run along and I can bolt down. So here we are, we have this, the heater's going, it's about to get shut off. Resin in the cup, fiberglass mat is pre-cut, ready to go. That is way too much fucking hardener. That's 9%. Okay, because patience is going to kill me. We all watched my mess up. This is only one layer of 8 gram. I'm going to try to demold it because I'm just way too impatient. And then the last piece. There we are. So now I have my 2-piece mold that will forever and always make a new intake box for me. It's went off and it's at that perfect stage where a razor blade will trim it. In 24 hours, we'll pop it out. Alright guys, here we go. That was actually super easy. Now the hard part. That'll do, pig. That'll do. It's beautiful. Exactly. My plate's a little wrong. I don't care about that. That's what I'm bid at. I can't even talk. I'm so pumped about this. Hello, Velocity Stacks. Get ready for some fresh air.